Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, this is something that I wanted to actually record quite some time ago, but then I was thinking, I'm just gonna wait till September because I'm gonna be talking about the new Christmas releases from Louis Vuitton. And those of you who are so much into kind of limited editions pieces, you probably saw some pictures. So I'm gonna be specifically talking about this today, and this collection actually is coming up. It will be coming up at the end of the September. So yeah, I just didn't want to talk about this in July or August. So yes, they will be releasing this towards the end. I don't know exact date, but I was told it's gonna be towards the end of September. So yeah, let's talk about some Christmas stuff. So I have my iPad in front of me, so I'll be looking, at some photos of obviously. So if you have been familiar with Christmas releases from LV, they have been doing this kind of animation thing for quite a few years. And in the past, I did purchase quite a few limited edition items, which I sold most of them, to be honest with you. Some of them I kept, some of them it's just, with me, it just goes in and out. So anyway, they stick to their usual, I would say, kind of items that they do come up, as a limited edition. And correct me if I'm wrong, but this year is the first year that I think LV is also bringing limited edition Christmas pieces in not just the canvas, as the damier ebene or azure or the classic monogram, but this year I've also seen a few with the epi leather. So yeah, I think this is the first time that I've ever seen any of those, specifically like from the Christmas collection. So Zippy Coin Purse will come up with two different prints on the monogram canvas. So the first one is like the full kind of carousel, and then the second one is the Ferris wheel, I think that's what it's called. So you got two different prints on the monogram canvas. Let's hope there's gonna be some azure pieces coming up as well in that that print, but those are the two, which is quite unusual. Usually they have different prints on each of the pieces, of the canvas pieces, but this year they have two different on the monogram. And then obviously you're gonna have a Zippy Coin Purse in damier ebene. Again, there's gonna be some roller coaster and this little Vivienne, I think it's called, the the little doll that it's like a face of Louis Vuitton, right? And then I have a picture of the one in the epi leather. So this is a black epi leather coin purse with this very cute Vivienne on riding that, what is it, bump car? I never know the name of it, but we all know how it works, right? So yeah, I thought these are very cute. I'm sure there's gonna be something in azure, but I do not have any pictures of the azure pieces. At least I didn't get any so far, but that's all I have here. Okay, the next thing, let's talk about the zippy wallet. This is the big wallet that LV carry, as you can buy in many different canvases, and you can buy it in leather as well. So they do have an option with again, those bumpy cars with damier ebene print. So I thought this one is pretty cute, and it's very, those collections are like very colorful. And then you have another version of the roller coaster on the monogram zippy wallet, and those wallets are big. If you're not familiar with those wallets, those are quite big. And then again, another print is the same as with the Zippy Coin Purse. You have those carousel on the, on the monogram as well. So again, two different prints on the on the big zippy wallet. And then I do have a picture of this beautiful pale pink zippy wallet, and this is obviously in the epi leather. And yeah, this little carousel like cart, or is it from the Ferris wheel? I think like the little piece. It's cute. It really looks cute, and I love this kind of different shades of pinks, and yeah, I just think it's really cute. So this wallet will be available as well. I think the next item that I have here, I'm gonna pop the picture. This is the I think this is iPhone folder. Oh no, iPhone folio. That's what it's called. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. I think this is the iPhone folio. And then obviously every year they come up with some kind of a design for the passport holder, so this is always quite popular. So I have the picture here, one with the monogram. Obviously these are always very, very popular. Also around coin purses, very cute design. Again, on the, you have one on the, I have two on the monograms with the, again with that bumpy car ride and then the carousel. So you got two of them on two different round coin purses. And by the way, those round coin purses are almost impossible to get. I have just a plain one, and I feel like it's just, sometimes I see it online, but very rarely. I feel like it's just very difficult to get those these days. So yeah, if you can get one in the limited edition, if you can get your hands on it, I would go for it. All right, another piece, which is actually quite a new piece for Louis Vuitton, is the double zip pochette. I think that's what it's called. It came up with this reverse giant monogram that you can purchase, and comes with a very long strap. I think the reverse monogram comes with the leather strap. Those are coming with a chain, with a gold chain strap. I don't know if they have one in the Ibn print or Azure print. I assume they will have. They just didn't quite release, you know, all the pictures, all the items that they have, but that's what I have for now. So there's gonna be, if you like the double zip pochette, there's going to be something for you. And then obviously let's not forget about the mini pochettes. Mini pochettes are also so difficult these days to get. It's like unbelievable. So I have, again, the roller coaster print, and this is going to be against the classic monogram. And then I also have the one that comes with the damier ebene. So there's going to be another version, and the second version of the monogram print with the cars. So you got, again, you got two different prints on the monogram canvas. The last two things I wanted to mention are the wallets. And you guys, I looked at the LV website to find those particular wallets, and I just couldn't find them. So I don't know if they just changed something, or is this going to be a completely new design. And what I'm talking about is the first wallet. It looks to me like a Sarah wallet, but doesn't have this push button on the outside. I'm sure there's something on the inside that it's holding the wallet together, but again, I don't know. Is this a Sarah wallet, or this is completely different design, or am I missing something? I don't know, but I cannot, truly guys, I cannot find this, and I've looked this for like a couple of months. And the other version of it is a compact, or like the mini version. So it's again, it's a monogram, and it looks like it's a tri-fold kind of a wallet, but again, doesn't have any button on the front. It has to have something inside, and then obviously the version with the, so there's two different version, you know, with two different pictures on it. So I don't know, those are, looks like those are completely new wallets to me, at least. I don't know, maybe I'm missing something, I have no clue, but I thought these were pretty cute, and I'm especially kind of interesting in the in this one, the one with the carousel. I just think it looks so colorful, and yeah, you guys know me, I like the monogram. I'm all about the monogram. I'm not too crazy about the damier ebene, and I do have one back with the damier azure, but monogram is like my number one. So yeah, as usual, I think it's a very cute collection. Every year, the Christmas collection, I think they're really, really nice. If you can get your hands on it, if there's something you are particularly, you know, interested at, I think you should jump on it, because those pieces are going very quickly, you know, as most of the limited edition pieces. And I don't know, I always like those, you know, Christmas collection. I think they're always very, very cute. And Possibly if there are some azure pieces that will be released with that collection, maybe I will try to get something. I don't know, but I am definitely interested in those wallets. I'll have to just check it out and see what is it all about. And yeah, run for the round coin purse. Zippy wallets, those zippy coin purse is also very popular. And obviously the mini pochettes, I always, probably the most popular when it comes to those limited editions. So yeah, don't wait. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and yeah, stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.